Several areas in Germany, June 28, 2024.
Digga, Buchstraße, was geht ab da?
Lightning strikes, fallen trees and flooding. Many thunderstorms occurred on Thursday. On Friday, there were only isolated thunderstorms. Thunderstorms continued in the south and east. On Friday, numerous thunderstorms in most parts of Germany were mostly concentrated in the south and east. Thunderstorms are expected to occur only occasionally in other regions. Around midday, active thunderstorms are expected in the east, southeast and south, according to the German Weather Service, DWD. On Thursday, heavy rain and thunderstorms across much of Germany led to multiple interventions by fire departments due to lightning strikes and flooding, as well as traffic disruptions. Affected areas include North Rhine-Westphalia, Thuringia, Hesse, Hamburg, Lower Saxony, Mecklenburg-Vorpommern, and Baden-Württemberg. In Tostedt, south of Hamburg, a severe thunderstorm on Thursday caused flooding on the tracks.
Вот такой ливень. Градом с небольшим. Ой, как из трубы идет.
Therefore, the railway line between Hamburg and Bremen is temporarily closed. Traffic resumed in the morning on Friday, but at slower speeds. The railway is now passable again, but at lower speeds, according to a Deutsche Bahn spokesman. This resulted in a delay of around 15 minutes. It is still unclear when regular services will resume. In Baden-Württemberg, several train lines were forced to stop due to weather damage. DB Regio announced on Thursday evening via Platform X that the line between Herbertingen, Landkreis Sigmaringen, and Allendorf north of Lake Constance was closed. The closure was initially indefinite. There will be no rail traffic expected there until Saturday. The closure due to fallen trees between Kreilsheim and Schwäbisch Hall Hessenthal, according to a statement by a Deutsche Bahn spokesperson, was lifted late in the evening. The Stuttgart S-Bahn also reported restrictions on train traffic between Rohr and Böblingen on Thursday evening. This route only has a single track because there are trees and branches at the bottom of the track. The track was then reported to return to normal at night. However, S1 is still running somewhat delayed, according to the Stuttgart S-Bahn in the evening. On Friday morning, only scattered thunderstorms, locally limited to heavy rain, are expected in the southeastern and central areas of the state. During the day, meteorologists predict thunderstorms in the east, southeast, and south. In the south, there is a possibility of severe thunderstorms overnight into Saturday. In small areas, heavy rain with a capacity of up to 25 liters per square meter, thunderstorm gusts, and strong winds, as well as small hail, are possible. Isolated thunderstorms accompanied by heavy rain were not an exception in small areas, especially in the Erzgebirge, Lusatia region, eastern and southern Bavaria, and southern Baden-Württemberg. The train line between Hamburg and Bremen remains closed due to weather damage. It was not yet clear whether operations would resume on Friday, a spokesman said late Thursday in Berlin. In Tostedt, Harburg district, there is an underground passage on the tracks. We are trying to get everything running again tomorrow. But it depends on when the water can flow and whether it will rain again in the evening, said the spokesperson. Long-distance trains are currently diverted via Hanover. Metronome regional trains cancelled. The private railway company announced that the section from Hamburg Hauptbahnhof to Lauenbruck is currently impassable in both directions. Trains may occasionally run between Bremen and Rothenburg. Heavy rain and local weather have caused some flooding and crossing of the footpath. Damage to air ducts also occurred on several sections of the track. Metronome company seeks to transport passengers by bus or notified traffic. However, longer wait times are expected. At around 10 p.m., just before 10 p.m., about 10 buses were used for notified traffic. After a hot and humid morning, strong thunderstorms are expected in Hamburg, Schleswig-Holstein, and Mecklenburg-Vorpommern in the afternoon. Danger of localized flooding with heavy rain of up to 60 liters per square meter in a few hours, strong winds and hail up to 2 centimeters in size, as announced by the German Weather Service in the morning. Thunderstorms are expected to gradually subside by Friday evening. Due to the influence of low pressure, strong heat loads are expected in northern areas until Thursday evening, except in coastal areas. The weather remains mostly clear and sunny with temperatures reaching 27 to 31 degrees Celsius in the morning through Thursday.